At Tiger Surveillance, we understand the growing concerns of customers who've experienced VMS and data failures leading to costly legal issues and even insurance denials. Now more than ever, safeguarding your critical milestone recordings is essential. With Tiger Surveillance's award-winning plugins, protecting your data is easier than ever. Thanks to Milestone's open plugin-based architecture, any XProtect customer can instantly benefit from cloud storage expansion and disaster recovery. Deployed in just 5 minutes with no changes to your existing infrastructure and no downtime, Surveillance Bridge starts replicating your local data to the cloud, ensuring every recording is safe and secure. Your local storage can also be seamlessly extended to the cloud, offering instant scalability. Whether you're increasing camera count, resolution, frame rates, or retention requirements, you can scale effortlessly without downtime or retooling. Even a small amount of local storage can be extended into any cloud with real-time access to vast amounts of camera data while reducing on-premises storage costs. As retention mandates grow, only Surveillance Bridge offers an integrated solution to store less needed data in cloud archive tiers at the lowest possible price. With simple policies, you control what data goes where, how long it stays there, and how much it costs. The only viable solution for multi-year retention needs. For customers looking to deploy XProtect entirely in the cloud, Surveillance Bridge makes it feasible, efficient, and most importantly, cost-effective. From large healthcare providers to airports, this solution offers scalability while retaining all the important features of XProtect in the cloud. XProtect with Surveillance Bridge is the industry-leading solution for off-site protection and infinite scalability. But even the best backup and off-site protection doesn't guarantee full operational continuity. For environments that must achieve 100% uptime, Surveillance HA provides the ultimate protection for all XProtect server components. Surveillance HA protects your entire management server, including SQL, event, log, and mobile servers, to ensure continuous protection for all management components. Surveillance HA supports all components running on a single server or even separate servers. Regardless, they're all covered. For XProtect recording servers, Surveillance HA offers the only active solution that guarantees zero-loss protection during failures, maintenance, or upgrades. Smart clients maintain uninterrupted access to cameras with the ability to view footage from either recording server at any time. If a server fails, Surveillance HA seamlessly continues operations. Once the failed server is back online, any missing data is automatically backfilled, fully restoring the XProtect timeline with no missing video frames. Another unique and key advantage: Surveillance HA supports failover not only within the same data center, but also across regions, even if operating fully in the cloud. And while many customers choose between Surveillance Bridge or Surveillance HA, many are now opting to combine both for the ultimate protection of their milestone recordings. Either way, you'll never have to worry about losing critical recordings again. Whether your infrastructure is on-premises, in the cloud, or hybrid, Tiger Surveillance has your Milestone XProtect systems covered with ironclad protection.